Hi lovies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a super fast video, a DIY, but it's super cute. I'm using some thrift flip stuff, some stuff I had in my stash. Hopefully it'll inspire you and give you an idea on how to do this. So I'm going to do what I call 3D photos. I love doing these. So we have, I'll show you some of the stuff I'm using. You're going to need a frame. It could be thrift store frame. It could be Dollar Tree frame. You're gonna need some cardstock or print out a pretty scenery that you love. Like this is the one I am using because I want to make a new article one. And you're going to need, and there are so many of these in thrift stores, so you could just let your imagination run wild when you go and look at them. So pins are all over in the thrift store, or even costume jewelry that have stuff on it. So like I have this one, which I think is so beautiful. Can you see that? It's a starfish with sparkles and gems. And then one of my ultimate favorites, I love turtles, sea turtles. So I'm going to use these two pins. I'm going to use this beautiful cardstock paper. I have a few really pretty ones. I wasn't sure what to use, but I think this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use the white frame. I'm going to show you how to make a really cool 3D nautical picture. And it's really inexpensive. Okay, so let's get started. As I mentioned, here are the supplies you're going to need. You'll need a frame, thrift store frame, could be a dollar store frame. You're also going to need your favorite glue. You're going to need brooches that go with your background scenery. You could order backgrounds from, oh my God, Temu has them, Amazon has them. You could get them in Michael's. You can just download or print out one that you see on the internet. And then you're going to need some brooches that go with it. Your favorite glue. Of course, mine is Fabri-Tac glue. The best way to do this is just to take the glass from your frame, place it on top of your background so that you could center it the way you want, because sometimes your background is not going to be the exact same size as your frame. So this way you can just trace around the glass. That's it. Cut off the edges. This is the part in my video where I ask you to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this type of DIY. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you're going to make any of these for a gift this holiday. And if you are enjoying my channel, please consider subscribing. I have a question. Which do you like better, when I do upcycled clothing or home decor flips, or do you like having a mix of both? YouTube told me that 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. I am trying to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So if you enjoy my videos, I have a lot of fun and exciting things coming, like memberships and freebies every month. So please consider subscribing. Thank you. This is such a beautiful nautical background. I just love it. I love the aqua colors. Now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place these so it looks good with the background scenery. And you're going to take a pair of wire cutters or heavy duty scissors and cut off the back of the pins. This is my favorite glue, as I say in all my videos. Fabri-Tac glue works fantastic. It works on everything. You can also use E6000. That's another great glue. Super glue. You can use hot glue, but hot glue might not last. And I want this to last because obviously it's going to be standing up on a shelf or hanging on a wall. This glue also gives you a little bit of time to move it around if you don't have it placed exactly where you want it. Another reason why I love it. If you get a little bit on the glass, extra glue, you can easily just wipe it off with a Q-tip or a baby wipe. This is such an easy peasy DIY. It's quick, it's very inexpensive, and it really makes a beautiful gift. People love them, especially you can do the themes of their house decor or something that they love, like dancers, ballerinas. And obviously, I just did a nautical one. You could do rustic ones with farms and animals. I'm going to do another one with a flower shop and an old-fashioned bicycle and flowers. I have a few brooches that I think will look cute with that. Anyway, like I said, they make a really beautiful gift. People actually love them, and it is very inexpensive to do. And that's it, and that's all there is to it. You don't need any special crafting talent, and here are the final results. Thanks for watching.